What's up guys, today I'm in Cerulean City right now and this is my first video on YouTube. And please, this is my first channel, so do not forget to subscribe and like it. Subscribe, like and share it. Please, at least give me 50 likes and 10 subscribers at least. Okay, here we are in, what is the name of that route? Okay, here we are in Route 9 Cerulean Rock Channel. Today we are going to catch the legendary bird, zapdos. So here we are in the, so as you can see we have arrived to the Route 10 Rock Tunnel. From that way we will go from this route we will catch the legendary bird zapdos, but first let me use my max repel. Max repel. Okay, and so I have used max repel. Okay, this water is dyed at deep blue. Would you like to use surf? Yes, of course. Why not? Cave, you surf. So, guys, make sure you're far enough from this man, because this man is an electric type Pokemon trainer. So here we have arrived to the Pokemon trainer. Now you should obtain HMO3 surf to come to this place, but you need the Fuchsia City Hard Soul Badge. Then only you can come here. Okay, I have a really less battery remaining, so let me charge my Pokemon. So let me charge my phone right now. So guys, here we are back. So let's see. So in this place you will find a really good move, that is Thunder. Now if you guys don't know what effect does the Thunder Man, then I'll recommend you to pick that TM, because Thunder is one of the strongest moves of electric type Pokemon. So let me use my max repel again. So here the legendary bird is standing. So we are gonna have a head-to-head battle with this bird called Zapdos. But first, let me switch on my Pokemon. Okay, switch. I'm going to switch Cave in front. So let's get a head-to-head battle with this yellow bird. So let's go. Go! I'm sorry for that sudden noise. So Zapdos is of level 50. I know it's a really high level, but I'm not going to leave it. Okay, Zapdos use agility against me. Okay, Cave, come on, use surf. Okay, please do well. Okay, that's a really good damage. What? Detect? Why detect? Why the heck do you use detect? So I'm going to use surf again. Zapdos use blow back. Don't faint. Do not faint. Don't be fainted. Okay, again I took Zapdos use Thunder. Wait, no. I'm paralyzed right now. Please. Okay, but I have still used stuff, and no one can defeat. So let's send out my Balkan, that is Rena, so okay, Balkan. Zapdos is detect, okay, but it failed. Because I have sleep powder, come on, sleep powder. Zapdos just go back, no! No! That's cheating, I have not even used a single attack with my Balkan. That's cheating. Okay, I'm going to use revive. Okay, where is it? Tombstone, electric arrow. Yeah, that I can't do revive. Okay, there is that revive. So I'm going to use on Balkan. Come on, Balkan, come on, yes, come on, you can do it. Okay, Zapdos will go back, please. Oh! Okay. Okay, now let me use an ultra ball. Yes. Come on. Oh no! This other system here doesn't attack. Okay, how did I poison? Come on, Zapdos, please. I'll heal you. Please come with me. Oh! Okay guys, with that we have caught the legendary bird, Zapdos. Finally, guys, finally. Okay, I'm going to give him a nickname that is, let's see, what nickname should we give to Zapdos? So, let me see. It's an electric gun, so I'm going to use, name him, let's see, that, okay, what the heck, okay, T. Let's see, we are going to name it, the name of this Pokemon will be very long. Really, it will be a really long name. So let's see. Okay, you Thunder. So because it's an electric type, just one more please, people. Okay, one more. Oh, we can now give such a long name. So let's see what name we can give it. Okay, let's give it a name off. So let's go. Okay, I have one more name, but I think this would. But let's see what name could we give to this Zapdos. Okay. We're going to name it. We are going to name it Spark. rat. Spark rat. Let's see, where is T? Where is T? I can't see. Okay, we're going to name it T. Where is it? Oh, there is that T. Okay, with that, Spark Grab has added to our team, so I'm going to fly. Fly to the nearest, very near west road town, route 10, rock tunnel, Pokemon Center. Welcome to our Pokemon Center. Would you like your Pokemon back to perfect health? Yes. Okay, I'll take your Pokemon for a few seconds. Thank you for waiting. We have restored our Pokemon to hope to see you again. Okay, Nurse Joy, see you again. Now let's save from this pack. Okay, I've saved. So